morning, my people. Today is another day. I've been in Kisii for 2 weeks and I've done almost all the vlogs. But today, because I've never shown you in my vlog that I'm going to the farm, today I'm going to cook for you beans. But first of all, I need to show you where exactly beans come from. Many people know that beans come from the supermarket. But right now I'm going to show you that normally from the farm. And I'm with this grand woman. Let me remove this cape of hers. I don't know where she is. Hi. She's always going to do that for me from the farm. I'll try and do as much as I can because you know I'm a slave queen. Follow me. So this is how we do it. You see this grandmother anajipenda sana mpaka amevaa gumboots. Hebu show us your gumboots. Mona. And it has been raining almost all through the night. Our ever blessed land. You see, she's speaking in Kisii. I don't know what's wrong with her. Because apparently all of the people we have here need to know our language. Those are banana, not plantain. That is my lovely mama. That is Kemuto Bear vlogging. Yep. Yeah. Hi. Say hi. Hello. People. Hi. That's my mother. I love her so much. That, by the way. What is this? This is beans. Walisema kuna jina waliita mimi hata nimesahau. Legumes sama waliita. No, there's a name that was called apple. Beans. Kuna jina aliita na Kikisii ile nyekoti. Oh, legumes. Chinge. So wanachukua gani zingine? Nani to show this before? We also eat, ma'am. So we also eat this leaves of the beans. Zinakuliwa. Like with how do you remove it? You just pluck, like plucking, normal plucking like this. Show us. We want to show, don't tell us. Oh, just you kulima. There's those are the beans. I know, but I'm a slave queen. I don't do that. When you have a farm, when you are married and your husband has a big farm, what will you do? We will have to create employment opportunities for people. No. You have to practice. Oh, bwana atakuwa na raha kwa sababu atakuwa nampikia. And the way to a man's heart is the stomach. You can't be good in everything. You can't be good in everything. We can't lie that we are perfect in everything. You can't have it all. Me, I'm not good in farm life, like digging and all that. Okay. But I'm good in cooking and other things too. My people, after this, I'm going to show you how we are going to remove them from the pod. And then after that, washing the beans now and then putting it in the the charcoal or firewood. And there's something I need to address to you guys. It's not si kupenda kwangu because sinuses is really messing me up. It's like having menses. Sometimes it has mood, sometimes it doesn't. That's why you'll find me snorting all the time. But I don't like snorting because I know it really disturbs other people. But there are some things it's out of my control. So if you feel that inakusumbua, you can help me by changa unule humidifier because I need the essential oils. I have finished. You know, apparently, even if I don't know how to dig, but I have some business going on here. I hired, creating employment opportunities. I had someone to plant for me banana. Let me show you. But my grandmother has really pissed me off. She's giving out for free, and it's supposed to. Baba, I want to show you where I planted the banana. The one that my grandmother has been giving out for free, and I used money. Come, follow me. This is tea plantation. I'll keep on telling you that. These are coffee berries. Take this to the center, binding center. And before we take, they are supposed to be ripe, red. I'm going to show you my bananas. Yeah, my banana. Which I paid someone creating employment to do for me. But my grandmother is making losses because she's giving out for free at family. Family what? And I need money at the end of the day for our upkeep. As you step, I'm going to remove these beans from the pod. And then you'll see. Farmland. I had not worn my gumboots today. You know, other people prefer putting them in the sun so that they dry up. But because we miss beans, we had to fast track things. I've been asking him. There he is. Tell them what you've been up to. You've been reading because there are no schools.
Yes.
So support a boy child here.
So you twist it. You twist it. You twist the pond.
You know it has been raining. That's why you get your beans here.
Remove and let it.
Okay, I'll continue doing it for the next 30 minutes because you know it's a hassle. So in the meantime, just subscribe. We need to reach road to 4,000 subscribers, guys. Napenda sana watu wangu. Guys, we finished removing the beans from the pond. Now, after that, we need to put it in water to remove acid or gas. You know, we have issues of our stomach. So that's what I do. After that, you can imagine the whole beans that we've made. This is the output. Sawa. After that, I'll show you how I put it on the firewood to boil it with clean water. Maragwe, the beans I've put in here in pot. You know, the pot is a good way of. It's compared to sufuria when boiling the beans. So I had to put in the jiko again. I'm telling you, life in a farm is not a joke.
This Nana kweli wakempiski.
Nana wakempiski ndo huyo anajua kupasha moto. This was not matured beans. It will take 2 hours to boil. So we'll come after 2 hours, and then after that, by the way, we are going to eat these beans with rice today. Stay tuned. It has taken 3 hours for the beans to cook. We prefer overcooked beans. So here, and you know, tulieka pilipili.
So watu pia ni tuambieni, guys, tell us if you like overcooked beans or just cooked.
And you know what we've used? Pots.
These are clay pots.
No.
Okay.
We use this one to boil things like maragwe. I don't know why last time we never used boiling the ndengu. But we use these things like this. Sawa my people. Tungu nasikia nikivunja ndafukuzwa nirudi pale nilitoka. This is a male nana. Today I'm using spring onions, 1 tomato, green pepper, 1.
Tumepata bahati.
Royco, you better sponsor us, Royco, and Royco mchuzi mix. Yes. We love too much onions because it makes the broth to be thick. Sindia wase matunguyas. About to rain, guys. And here in Kisii it rains all the time. It's ever going. I don't know what kind of video do you want me to post again, guys. Tell us. Or I go back to the river, I dance for you. But if I dance for you, you need to tip me $5. Today I only put 1 nyanya. Don't mind us. If you see us standing here in this table cooking with this sufuria, it is community food. I told you guys, we cannot cook here and eat in peace. So we need to cook food mob so that people get it. Depends how you want your green pepper. Some people love it crunchy, but because you are living with a grandmother, it has to be cooked, like well done cooked. As I told you, I'll be using firewood cooking as long as I'm here in Kisii. Guys, I fear chicken. You know that chick there. I feel like my heart is going to. Hey. By now you should know how I do my spices. I put them on the onions. Guys, I'm telling you, hey, vlogging, you need to go out of your comfort zone. Si lazima unini na watu. Unizango nini? Collabo. Let me open this door.
Yes, open.
Beans.
Like in mbaya.
These are the beans that in the morning you are in the farm removing. Later ni tulikuwa tunatoka kwa shamba ndo tukule. Farm life. You need to go to the farm, not to the supermarket or to the kibandaski. Yesterday she went to church. We gave her money for offering, and then she said that she was removing all the money and she prayed that we get many views and many subscribers. So today in the morning he told us to go to the farm to take beans. I don't know how to put it. I told you English is not my first language. That is easy, simple recipe for making beans. Napakulia watu wangu. Don't mind about the lighting. Si kama tunapatia OG wa mtaa kwanza. David, guys, I'm back. I'm almost finishing my food here. Hey, do you find a cook enjoying his or her own food? I'm that type of person. I enjoy my own food. So if you like this kind of video, give a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Videos, I don't know which side they will be, but watch more videos. Maybe this side or this side. Bye. Mwah.